unsuitable. If you don't know how to trim bonsai tree, don't touch your bonsai tree. Let it grow. If you want to know something, come to my video. Let's see. As a first step, I want to start removing leaves from the tree. Let's do it faster. Okay, this is a Ficus Benjamina tree. So actually, as a beginner, everyone can grow easily this type of tree because mainly in Asian region, easily you can find ficus plants. There are so many ficus type trees in market. You can find easily plants to grow like a bonsai. So my friend, I'm also beginner type bonsai flower. So this tree I started way before 12 years. You can see this tree is old. I tried 2-3 times before this tree. I gave it some shade. As idea, you can get something from my video. This is the basic method to style the bonsai tree. After moving on is obviously we can give it some shades because in my experience I know with leaves we cannot apply a fresh shade and at the same we can't get idea which style is the suitable for this tree. So basically we want to follow up bonsai expertise guidelines through removing all leaves from the tree and we can start. Wow. Okay, let's see my friend. Now you are come to train again this plant. Yes. Yes, my friend. You can see what is the shape of this plant. Then as idea you can get some idea from this tree. I bend this tree this side and roots also go in this side. And in my suggestion, I'd like to give it the different type of style. So my friend, I want to remove some branches. These branches are a little bit bigger. So first step we did it. Then secondly we want to remove some branches from this plant. After that we want to wire. So hold on, I will guide you how to train this tree, this branch, we can turn to up. These branches we can grow in this pad. So basically I did my major cut for my plant, so I can grow some branches nearby those branches. Due to that reason I cut these branches. Sometimes you afraid to cut your bonsai tree, but basically in the main trunk we want to keep sharply visible. After that we can trim our branches. So basically left hand I go branch here, this branch and listen. Okay. Then we going to trim again 2 branches from this side. And next time we can trim nicely those branches. Then after 2-3 years we can trim out parrots nicely. So let's see the balance. Yes, my dear friend, this is the style I can grow in future. So if you get an idea from my plant, please share it with friends and video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like. If anything you want to mention in my comment section, highly appreciate. Thanks my dear friends.